Welcome to our project. Employee Record System. We're going to walk through the process on how this works and done through NetBeans, so let's dive in. And this is how the main interface looks, and here we have some objects that we can work on. But for now, we will be discussing those that are functioning at the moment. The rest will be discussed when this project is done. To start, we will run the first part of this system, which is the login page. And now, we're here in the login page, and by default, we will use admin, so, if we input other than admin, the prompt box will appear, invalid username/password. And of course, if we put the correct username and password, it will successfully direct you to our main page. And now, we're going to NetBeans to show you how the code's done for the login page. The first thing now to do is to set a name in every object that we are going to use. For username text field, we will set variable name user. For password text field, we will set variable name PW. For login button, we will set variable name login. And for cancel button, we will set variable name cancel. And now, let us begin the coding. Just simply double-click the login button and it will direct you to the source code. First, import the JOption pane package. Then enter the following codes for login button, up to the cancel button. Let's speed up the process of this. There you go, this is how we constructed the codes for the login page. And now, we're heading to the next page, which is the employee registration. And here we have some record that we can always remove by clicking on the button clear. There. Now, let's say we tend to add another record. There we go. The next thing to do is to click on the button Save. And we can then print. A dialog box will appear, and you can choose how you would like to print the data. In this case, we will choose PDF and just click on Print. And this is what the output looks like. Then you can confirm now if want to exit. And that's all about here. What we're going to do next is we will head back into the NetBeans and we will put one of these together, so let's do that now. And now we're in NetBeans and everything here is in place already. We're going right here to Source tab to see how we declare a variable for each field here. This is how we construct the list of variable and declarations. Moving on, the first now I like to do is to clear all of text fields, so let's take care of the clear function. Now, right-click on the clear button and go to Event, Action, Action Performed, then tap right there. And enter the codes as follows. That's it, now we're going back to design. The next thing we have to do is let's right-click on Print button, Event, Action, Action Performed. From one I made here, let's get the name of text view itself, that's what we intend to paste right here and just type .print. In the case of the print, we're going to have to use try catch, and as you look at here the system can show us what to do. Okay, so look at this, it's a statement with a try catch. Double click on that and it will go by the print taken care of. One other thing is the system also import different libraries right away. Okay. Now, let's go to Exit, right-click on it, then come to the End of Action Event option. And the first now to do is enter this code. Now, click on this and there you go, choose this and that is imported as well. So, the next thing now is enter some lines of codes. There, we've imported J option as well, straight away. Now, the final part is coming here, but now we need to add all of the content from here, to the text field over here. To start, right-click on Save button, then select Event, Action, and Action Performed. The first now to do is to call TextView.append, then I would like to add all the values I have inside the text box using this command codes. Okay. This is now the lines codes looks. So, what we're going to do next is let's try to compile and run for the first time. And that concludes our project.